Hi, Glenn James here. My project for today is to be removing this FX4 sticker from my 2018 Ford F-150. I'm going to replace it with a carbon fiber black F-150 or FX4 sticker. So going with a theme of black and white on this truck. So I'm going to wash this off, clean it off, remove this, and then get started on replacing it with this. Let's see how it goes. So the first thing I'm going to do is just clean off this whole area here with some Windex. The sticker says use Windex, but I'm going to use Windex, and then I'm going to also go in and use some alcohol where the sticker goes. Alright, got that done. Next thing I'm going to do is mark exactly where this sticker goes. So that I know where to put the other one. Next, I'm going to take a blow dryer and warm this up and peel it off. Okay, I'm going to take this blow dryer here and warm this up. I've already pre-warmed it a little bit, but I'm going to do a little bit more and then start peeling it. Alright, next I'm going to take some alcohol and clean off this area here, try to get all the wax and any kind of other dirt out, and then we'll start working on the other sticker. Now I'm going to take some 91% isopropyl alcohol, and I'm going to use that with a clean rag and clean that area really good. And then we'll let that sit for a few minutes, dry a little more, and then come back and start putting on the decal. Now my next order of business is to get everything lined up. Here towards the left edge. Now you want the white part to be on the back. This is where the Scotch film is. So what we'll do is we'll peel this off, spray it down, push it back up, squeegee it out. That's the plan anyway. Let me go get me some other tools. Be right back. Alright, the instructions that came with the sticker said to use Windex. So that's what I'm going to use. Like a lot of people said, you use water and soap. This is what I want to use, what they said to use. So. Start here in the middle. Now the directions also say to leave this on here for an hour or so. I'm going to follow the directions and then we'll come back and work on peeling that off. So that's what we're doing so far. Be back in an hour or two. By the way, I'm going to do a little bit of drying on it with a hair dryer to hopefully speed up this process. Full disclosure, this is actually the day after one of my friends came by, wanted to go out to eat. I got in a rush, didn't think about putting the camera back up and recording, but I carefully took off the masking tape off the top, peeled it off really slowly, just on top of itself, just almost holding it down up against itself. Pulled it off real slow, and to me it looks great. Looks as good, well, it looks better to me than the original because it's all black, no red here. So again, going with a black and white theme on this truck. Soon I'll be doing a video of painting this topper. So that's where I am right now. Hope you enjoyed. If you like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. See you soon.